Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is nearly 12 o'clock. Monday, the 17th of July. Just come out, just to check on things. Had some nice rain today. These are my lilies, which are absolutely amazing. The scent on these is just wow. Here's my white phlox. These are also scented. Smell absolutely divine. Yeah, I'd come out because I keep hearing an owl, which tends to be on the wall at the end there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it makes cuckoo, cuckoo noise. So yeah, here everything is looking really well. These hollyhocks have killed up for the night. Come round here, there's some more lilies here. These are, like I said, the scent on these. I don't know if you just see the lily beetle damage here. Epic the damage. But it's so quiet out here, absolutely. I love this time of the evening, the night. Everything, this is a self-seeded hollyhock. Look at that little caterpillar there. Little monster. Munching away, which I don't mind. Down here, these were from, I think I got these from Harrogate Flower Show, these. Perennial phlox. The scent is absolutely stunning. Here we have my two jasmine plants, climbers. Walk over the flowers. Had a bit of wind the last few days, so tomorrow we shall be out. I'll make a video showing you how I'm going to stick some screws in there, tie this up, get it straight, then give it a prune back, get into some shape. But the flowers on this smell absolutely divine. The scent in the evening is amazing. Here we have some crocosmia here. Oh, here we have my little amazing penstemon grown from seed. I love growing penstemon from seed. You never know what you're going to get. I got some really good colours last year, which have rolled over to this year, which is absolutely brilliant. This beautiful crocosmia. Just look at the colours on those in the night light, absolutely stunning. So yeah, just a quick whiz around the garden. Just here we go. Agapanthus grown from seed. I'll just show you the others. Just down here. Here we have beautiful clematis, single flowered variety, but stunning colours. A bit further down here, here's some beautiful yellow lilies. The scent on these is the same, absolutely epic. It's my little bench. Just absolutely had it. I was going to repair this, but it's just absolutely rotten. So yeah, that back has really had it. So yeah, down here, my little pog. Here I have my agapanthus. As you can see, it's going to be nice purpley blue colours. All the ones at the back there have been grown from seed. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything happening in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask folks. If you like videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.